Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can install mods in Minecraft. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your laptop or PC and search for CurseForge. Open the first website and you will be redirected to this type of web page. Now open the Minecraft mods section and click on View All. Then filter out the mods and download any mod you like. After the downloading completes, open a new tab in your current browser and search for Forge Download. Open the official Forge website, click on the Installer button and download the mod. Now open your download folder, run Forge application and make sure your Minecraft is running or it will show this type of error. Then click on Install and after it completes, open Run. Search for %appdata% and open the Minecraft folder. Access mods and paste the downloaded mod inside it. And that's how you can install mods in Minecraft. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.